Most people think about water when they feel thirsty. But here's something important that many people don't realize. If you're often tired, bloated, dealing with fatty liver, headaches, dark urine, or slow digestion, your liver might actually be struggling because you're not drinking enough water. And the scary part? Dehydration doesn't always make you feel thirsty. It quietly slows down your liver's ability to detox, burn fat, and keep your body balanced. If you've ever wondered how much water your liver actually needs, whether you're drinking too little or even too much, and how hydration affects fatty liver, weight, and energy, then this is something you'll want to pay attention to, because proper hydration is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to support liver healing. Let's start with why water matters so much for your liver. Your liver has over 500 functions. Every day it filters toxins from your blood, breaks down medications and chemicals, and processes fats and cholesterol. It also regulates blood sugar, converts nutrients into energy, and removes waste from your body. But here's the key. All of these processes depend on fluid balance. Without enough water, toxins become more concentrated and fat metabolism slows down. Bile thickens, making digestion harder, and waste removal becomes inefficient. Your liver has to work harder than it should. And over time, this extra stress can worsen. Fatty liver, inflammation, fatigue, bloating, and a slow metabolism. Now here's a question many people ask. How much water does your liver actually need? A practical guideline is about 30-35 milliliters of water per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, if you weigh 70 kg, that's about 2.1 to 2.5 liters daily. If you weigh 90 kg, it's about 2.7 to 3.1 liters daily. But here's something even more important than numbers. Your body gives you signs. You may need more water if you notice dark yellow urine, dry mouth or lips, fatigue without clear reason, or headaches. Also, watch for constipation, brain fog, and sugar cravings. Yes, dehydration can actually increase cravings and make weight loss harder. Now let's connect this to fatty liver. When your body is dehydrated, blood becomes thicker, circulation slows, and the liver receives less oxygen and nutrients. At the same time, dehydration increases stress hormones, which promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen and liver. This is why some people improve their markers simply by improving hydration. Now here's another mistake people make. They think coffee, soda, or juice counts the same as water. The truth is, sugary drinks increase liver fat, and soda or fruit juice spike blood sugar. Your liver benefits most from plain water, mineral water, lemon water, and herbal teas. Green tea is also helpful because it contains antioxidants that support liver health. Let's talk about timing, because when you drink matters. Start your day with water. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated and your liver has been working overnight. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses of water in the morning helps activate metabolism, support detox pathways, and improve digestion. Next, drink water between meals, not large amounts during meals, which may dilute digestive enzymes. Another powerful habit: drink a glass of water before meals. This helps control appetite, prevent overeating, support weight loss, and reduce liver fat over time. Now here's an important question. Can you drink too much water? Yes, but it's rare. Problems usually happen when people drink excessive amounts very quickly. Instead, spread it throughout the day. A simple pattern: 2 glasses in the morning, 1 mid-morning, 1 before lunch, 2 in the afternoon, and 1 or 2 in the evening. Now let's talk about signs your hydration is improving. Within days, many people notice more energy, better digestion, reduced bloating, and clearer skin. Over weeks, improved metabolism, reduced cravings, better weight control, and improved liver function markers. And here's something many people don't realize. If you're eating a high sugar or high salt diet, your water needs increase. Sugar and salt pull water out of your cells, making your liver work harder. This is why hydration works best when combined with less sugary drinks, fewer processed foods, and more vegetables and whole foods. Now let's talk about making hydration easier. If you struggle to drink enough water, try carrying a reusable bottle and adding lemon, cucumber, or mint. Try setting reminders on your phone, drinking a glass every time you check your messages, or using a marked bottle with time goals. Small habits make a big difference. Here's another powerful tip for liver health. Eat water-rich foods, such as cucumbers, watermelon, tomatoes, oranges, and leafy greens. These support hydration and provide antioxidants your liver needs. Now let's bring everything together. If you're dealing with fatty liver, low energy, slow metabolism, bloating, or high liver enzymes, ask yourself, am I drinking enough water consistently? Because your liver doesn't need extreme detoxes. It needs less overload, better hydration, and consistent daily support. Here's your simple liver hydration plan. Drink 2 to 3 liters daily based on body size. Start your morning with water and drink before meals. Replace sugary drinks, add lemon or herbal teas, eat water-rich foods, and stay consistent every day. Your liver is constantly working to protect you. Hydration helps it filter toxins, burn fat, reduce inflammation, and balance metabolism. And sometimes, one of the most powerful healing tools isn't complicated at all. It's a simple glass of water, repeated every day. Start today. Because when your body is properly hydrated, your liver doesn't just function, it performs at its best. And that's where real healing begins.